Hi, welcome again to the SeAHABS Training Course 1. I am Alvin Alma of the SeAHABS Dev Team. In the previous section, you've learned what is SeAHABS, what it can do, and what's its limitation. You've been also introduced on what are the products under it, and today I'll teach you how to access the SeAHABS Viewer using a computer. Whether you're using a Windows or Macintosh, you can just open a browser, whether it's Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox, or maybe a Safari if you're using a Macintosh. Today, I'll be using Mozilla Firefox. Once the browser has been opened, you just need to type in this web link on the address bar. And then press enter. Then wait for the SeAHABS Viewer to load on the browser. A splash screen will appear once the SeAHABS Viewer has successfully loaded on the browser. This splash screen shows you different announcements regarding the SeAHABS Viewer, whether regarding data outage or maybe new features or developments regarding the SeAHABS Viewer. Click OK after you read it. And that's it. I've shown you how to access the SeAHABS Viewer as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now it's your turn to do it yourself. If you have questions or clarifications, feel free to post on the Stream tab of the Google Classroom. Don't forget to explore, navigate, and share the SeAHABS Viewer. See you in the next session.